Hey guys, and welcome to a CSS tutorial part 2. We are going to be learning about linking to the CSS file, designing the paragraph and header, and adding color to the background. How are we going to add colors and design our web page? We have to link our index page to the CSS page so we can see our outcome of the design we have done. So let's get started designing our paragraph and header. Here we are on Sublime Text and our web browser on the right and Sublime Text on the left as always. So we have our design.css and index.html files right here, and what we made from last video. So let's go through the first bit. So first of all, let's just write p. Then if we just get like sample text of Google right here, then if we just do a dummy text generator, do like, I don't know, like 100 words. Then if we just copy all this, then paste it on here, like between here, and then yeah. So we got a dummy text right here. We got dummy text, and yeah, so we got that. So let's get ready to design it. So let's go on design.css, and if all we have to do is just write the selector, which is p, then do those curly brackets and just enter. So in here we're just gonna design it. So all we could do like color. So if we do color, then from my HTML tutorial we done like a background or like a color picker thing. So if we just go in color picker on Google, just simply type that out. Then let's do like to say like this color from here. Then you just have to copy and paste in the hex right here, the hex color code right here. So if we just copy and then paste it on here, then we got a color. So if we save both of these files and if we refresh it on here, it will only output the dummy text right here, but it didn't output the color of the text right here. This is because we haven't linked our file onto the index right here. So if you want to solve this problem, all you have to do is just write link right here. So to select this tag from the drop down, press link, and all of this will come up. So we know that it is a style sheet, the type is a CSS, and the link we're just gonna write design.css. This is because we're in the same folder right here. So if we just go on desktop, CSS course, we're in the same folder right here, so we don't need to do anything. So if you want that tutorial, the tutorial will be in the link in the description, or will be in the card tag on the top right. So if we just so we got that. So if we just save that and just confirm, just save that again, then it will go the color we got right here. So you can see that I'm highlighting it just turn into blue because I'm highlighting the text right here. So we're gonna go through that in future courses. So we could do many types of stuff. So that's the paragraph. So we could do so this is technically going through a recap from our previous tutorials. So we could go through the background color of the text. So if we just go into color picker right here, then if we go on like say purple, just do light just to make it look nicer. So copy the hex code, and if we go back, then if we copy paste, do that, then do this, save. Then I don't think the background color works on normal. Oh no, it does. Alright, I just probably didn't save it properly, but yeah, so here it is. So that's it looks really nice in my opinion right there. So we could also do the text align. So if we just go text align, then we could do center. So that's simple as that. Save, refresh, then everything will be in the center. So this is all really nice and easy. So we could go through the font size as well. So all you have to do is just press font size. Then we could do like 15 point value. So I use point value because it's way more easier. We also use the Word document as well, which we use point value, so it's a lot easier. So if we just go on index, then here it will just get bigger right here. So we went through font size. We could also do the font family as well. So if we do font family, then if we go on Google, right here. Then if we go on like we could do HTML font family list. Then we could just copy and paste some of them. So we could use like we could use sans serif right here. All you have to do is just copy, then we could do is just paste that in right here. Then we've got sans serif right there. So if you just load up the website again, then it's in a different font, I think. So yeah, so I mean either way, it should be on it should be in a different font. So so we went through the font family. So we should go through the header the header right as well. So if we just write the title first, CSS web page, then here we could also write the header. So we could do h1, hit the h1 tag, then we could write like this is a CSS web page. So if you just save, then again just get that here, so it says this is a web page right here. So if we just go on the design.css back here again, and if we just write h1, so which is the selector that we use. So if it was h2, you have to write h2. And let's just do the same thing. So we want the text aligned to be in the center as always, just to make it look nicer. We want the background color, so we could make it yeah, so we can make it, so if you go to the color picker, so we could do something different. So let's do like pink. Then if we just do sort of like a light pink right here, then just copy and paste the hex, then the code right here. Then we could change the color as well, so we do the same thing, color picker. Then could do like what fits with pink, maybe we could do like maybe a yellow, I guess. Then we could do like around this color right here. So if we just copy the hex right here, then of course save it. So just copy and paste it, then save it, then go on here, an index, then here the background will be pink, it will be yellow text as well. So we could also change we don't need to change the font size, because that is a perfect font size, and the font family we don't need to either. So so yeah, that's it really. So we just sort of recapped all the different properties from the HTML tutorial. So in this tutorial we went through how we linked our style sheet on here, so we could see the output. So we done that. We could let's put that back here again. It's like right here. Then do that. As well as we went through like different like properties as well. So we went through like the text align, the background color, the font size, and the font family as well. So let's get on to the HTML questions. So here are the HTML questions. So for number 1, what do we have to do first in CSS? Number 2, what are the CSS syntax similar to HTML? Are the CSS syntax similar to the HTML? And number 3, did we learn about any tags in this video? So as always, there'll be an easy, medium, and hard. So I'll give you a few seconds. So hopefully you've answered all those questions. If you haven't, just pause the video before we go on to the answers. So right now, here are the answers. So for number 1, we have to link our index page to the CSS page, so we can see our outcome of the design we have done. So if you get that right, no, because we are not using tags. And number 3, no, because we haven't learned about any tags either. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these. Thank you.